BMW M 1000 RR, the beast that redefines speed. Hey everyone! Welcome back to Smart Driving Hub, your home for the most powerful cars, cutting-edge bikes, and everything that fuels the passion of driving. Not if you're new here, hit that subscribe button, because every week, we dive deep into machines that redefine power, performance, and perfection. Today, we're talking about a legend, a motorcycle that doesn't just compete, it dominates. This is the BMW M 1000 RR, BMW's ultimate superbike, born from racing DNA and engineered for pure adrenaline. Motorcycle, main script. The story begins when BMW decided to build the M 1000 RR. They didn't just want to make another superbike, they wanted to build a masterpiece that could compete with anything on two wheels. And oh boy, they nailed it. This beast is powered by a 999 cubic centimeters inline-4 engine, the same heart that drives the S1000 RR, but tuned and refined to deliver even more madness. With 212 horsepower at 14,500 revolutions per minute, this machine screams speed, precision, and perfection. But horsepower alone doesn't make a legend. The way BMW engineered this bike makes it stand out. Every part, from its lightweight carbon fiber body to the aerodynamic winglets, has a purpose: to keep it stable, fast, and unstoppable. A gear, performance, and engine power. Let's talk numbers, because that's where the M 1000 RR flexes its muscles. It goes from 0 to 60 miles per hour in under 3 seconds, and it can hit a top speed of 195 miles per hour. The titanium connecting rods, redesigned combustion chambers, and optimized air intake system make sure every bit of power is perfectly delivered to the rear wheel. It's like a rocket on two wheels, but with the precision of a German masterpiece. BMW didn't just give it more power, they made it smarter. The M 1000 RR comes with dynamic traction control, wheelie control, launch control, and slide control. Basically, it's got the brains to match the brawn. Whether you're on the racetrack or cruising down the highway, the bike continuously adjusts traction and power delivery to give you the best possible performance every single second. Dashing away, aerodynamics and design. Now let's talk about the looks, because this bike doesn't just perform like a champion, it looks like one too. The M 1000 RR is a work of art. The design is aggressive, sharp, and futuristic. Those carbon fiber winglets aren't just for show, they create up to 13.4 pounds of downforce at high speeds, keeping the front wheel grounded during brutal acceleration. And those M carbon wheels, lighter, stronger, and designed for maximum stability. BMW shaved off every extra gram to make sure the bike responds instantly to every flick of the wrist. The signature M colors, blue, violet, and red, run across its fairing, making it instantly recognizable as a part of BMW's elite M family. Brain, technology, and rider experience. Inside the cockpit, you get a 6.5-inch full-color TFT display, giving you all the data you could ever want: speed, lean angle, traction levels, lap times, everything at a glance. You also get multiple riding modes: rain, road, dynamic, race, and race pro, so no matter the weather, the surface, or your mood, the M 1000 RR adapts to you. Even the brakes are race spec M brakes developed directly from BMW's Superbike racing experience. They deliver absolute stopping power without losing control. BMW also offers an optional M competition package, which includes even more carbon parts, a lightweight swing arm, and an M GPS lap trigger, perfect for those who want to feel like a MotoGP rider on weekends. Money bag, pricing, and value. Now, for those wondering what it takes to own a machine like this, the BMW M 1000 RR starts around $33,000 in the US, depending on customization. Yes, that's a big number, but remember, this isn't just a bike. It's a track weapon that's fully legal for the streets. You're not just buying transportation, you're buying a statement: precision, power, and pure BMW engineering at its finest. Final thoughts and outro. So here's the deal: the BMW M 1000 RR isn't for everyone. It's for those who live for speed, who crave control, and who respect the art of engineering perfection. Every rev of this bike reminds you why BMW is in a league of its own, balancing technology, beauty, and raw performance in one incredible package. What do you think? Does the M 1000 RR deserve the title of King of Superbikes? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoyed this breakdown, hit that like button, subscribe to Smart Driving Hub, and turn on the bell icon, because we've got more insane machines coming your way every week. Thanks for watching, and as always, keep driving smart and stay fast.